To get started, open the main menu and go to the Settings section. Within Settings, select User Management, then click on Users, followed by Add. This is where you'll enter the new user's basic information. First, enter the new user's email address and fill in their first and last name. Then, select the appropriate role for the user. You have several options. Administrator has full access to manage all aspects of AUTOMY. Auditor can audit requests, track progress, and resend notifications about the current status. Collaborator can configure processes they have created or those assigned by the administrator. Support, ideal for AUTOMY staff who provide assistance and review requests. User, the standard role for most users, allowing them to submit requests. User Manager can create new users, add extra fields, assign positions, manage user groups, areas, and delegations. Complete the additional information by specifying the area, although this field is not mandatory, the user's position, and defining the user supervisor. If the login method is username and password, enable the two-factor authentication checkbox to add an extra layer of security. Then, select the access type that best suits your needs. Username and password Office 365, which integrates security from your Active Directory, or Google, which does the same with your Google account. Make sure to activate the checkbox to enable user access. If a user no longer needs access, simply deactivate this checkbox. Once the user is created, they will receive an email to confirm their account. It's important that all users confirm their account, regardless of the access type. After confirmation, the user will be automatically redirected to the platform and will receive another email with their password. Keep in mind that this password applies only to users with username and password access. Users who connect with Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace will need to click on the icons of their respective Active Directories and log in with their corporate credentials.